Hey everyone, it's Anna here. If you have been struggling with stubborn fat that just won't go away no matter how much you diet or exercise, then I have something exciting to share with you guys in this video. It's called Mitolyn, and it's already helping thousands of people finally see the results they have been hoping for. So we all know how frustrating weight loss can be. You follow all the rules, you eat right, you work out, and still it seems like nothing actually changes. If that sounds familiar to you guys, you're not alone. The truth is, sometimes your body actually needs an extra push, and that's exactly what Mitolyn is designed to do. It really helps activate your metabolism naturally so your body burns fat more efficiently without relying on extreme diets or exhausting workout routines. So what makes Mitolyn so powerful is its unique formula. Made in the USA in an FDA-registered, GMP-certified facility, it contains only the highest quality plant-based ingredients. That means no harmful chemicals, no fillers, just a carefully crafted blend designed to help your body shed unwanted fat and boost energy levels. Some of the key ingredients, you guys, includes maqui berry, rhodiola, amla, and theobroma cacao. These natural ingredients work together to support fat burning, they improve metabolism, and they help you feel more energized throughout the day. Plus, Mitolyn is actually non-GMO, soy-free, and dairy-free, making it a clean, effective choice for just about anyone. One of the things that really makes Mitolyn stand out is how quickly people start noticing changes too. Many people report feeling lighter, more energized, and seeing visible results within weeks. And because it works naturally with your body, you don't have to worry about any weird or harsh side effects. Now, here's something really important, you guys. Mitolyn comes with a money-back guarantee. That means that you can try it for a full 3 months completely risk-free. If you're not happy with your results, you can get a full refund, no hassle. But there's one key thing to remember. If you decide to try Mitolyn, you have to make sure that you order it from the official website. It is the only way to be sure that you're getting the real product along with all the benefits, the complete information you need, and of course, discounts and the guarantee. I have added the link in the description down below, so check it out if you are ready to take control of your weight loss journey. Don't let stubborn fat hold you back any longer. Mitolyn could be exactly what you guys are looking for. I hope I've answered your questions. I wish you all the best on your journey, and thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.